You carry us along even to work on the farm, but we are the ones who weed, till the soil, do the harvesting, carry the food to your house, and even cook for you. How can you think we do nothing?
Sarvendriyanam Nayanam Pradhanam. Remember us. Now exit to show you the direction of the places you visit. How can you find the way to the farm, streams, or market? Without us, you cannot even sort out right or unright food. Asyam Rasanam Mridu Madhu Vadanam. If I close up and refuse to eat, you will all die. Am I not important? Ha ha ha. Sarveshu Gatreshu Shirapradhan. You, legs, arms, eyes, mouth, and nose do not present before you talk. Do you not know that I am the one who directs your activities? I am the one who asks the legs to run from danger, asks the arms to work for us, while directing the eyes to see and the mouth to eat. Nashika Pranavasta. If I close up my nostrils, even a few seconds you will die because you need oxygen to keep you alive. I am the only one who takes in oxygen. Madhuram Shravanam Karna Kaushalam. We are the ones who hear all sound about danger and love. Yet you all try to ignore us. Hridayam Atma Iti Hridayam. You are all making a lot of noise for nothing. I have never rested since I was born. I take day in and day out, year in and year out. If I stop taking, you will all die.
We all must live together and love the whole. Protect each other from diseases, hunger, harsh weather, and poverty.